Hey Wonder Friends, are you ready to learn how to draw a really cute unicorn? Let's draw it!
Here we go! Wonder Friends, Wonder Friends. It's time for Wonder Friends Show! Yeah! Alright!
Today we are going to draw a really cute unicorn. Do you know why I love unicorns so much besides them being awesome? It's because they're all unique, just like you. And of course, magical. All you need to draw the unicorn is a piece of paper, something to draw with, and the willingness to try. If you need to pause the video to grab your stuff, that's cool. I'll just hang out right here. If not, let's get started.
Okay, Wonder Friends, first thing we need to do is we need to wake up our brains, and how we're going to do that is we're going to call this a mindful minute. And that mindful minute is super easy to do, and it goes like this. I need you to sit up big and tall. I want you to wiggle your toes. I want you to be here now. Be present with me. Take a deep breath. And you can say this out loud or to yourself. I am me. I matter. I try my best. I am super fantastic. That was awesome, and you really are super fantastic. All right, guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to start with the page sideways. I want to remind you just something real quick before we get started. You're not going to draw just like me. Perfect. I don't want you to. I want you to draw just like you. Your drawing is going to be awesome because you made it, and I'm here just to help you through it. Second thing is if I go too fast, it's easy. Pause the video, go back a little bit, catch up. No harm, no foul. It's all good. It happens all the time. No big deal. All right, guys, so we're going to start right here, kind of in the middle with our page sideways. We're going to draw an upside down V, or like an A shape, right? And we're going to draw a little half circle to connect those, and we're going to put 3 lines on there. Now, I'm using a big fat Sharpie because I like the way these look. You can use anything that you want to draw with this. You don't have to draw it with the exact same thing as me. Now, on the front side of this, what we're going to do is we're going to make like kind of like almost like a D shape. It's going to come down and loop around just like that. And it's going to stop kind of right before that back horn, right? And we're going to draw another shape that comes this way. And we're going to leave a little gap there. And reason why is that's going to be the back of the mouth, okay? And to get that back of the mouth, we are going to draw a shape that just comes forward just like that. Right, now where you stopped here, it's just going to take a little bump like this, and it's going to come around and connect. So a little bump down, and the line comes around and connects. You can kind of make that shape any kind of shape that you want. It's perfectly fine. Now on this back side, behind the horn, what you're going to do, really easy. You're just going to put a V. And on each side of that V, we're just going to do little half circles. Kind of looks like Pac-Man, kind of chilling on the head there, right? Now, we're going to draw some bumps. Now, you can make any kind of hair you want here. If you want to change that hair up a little bit, feel free. Have some fun with it. Do your thing. It's all good. And then for the tail, I want you to do the same thing. You can make any kind of tail you want. I'm just going to make a shape like this. If you want to put a different kind of shape on yours, I think that's cool. I think it'd be a lot of fun. You can add big frilly things or just a couple hairs. You can do any kind of thing that you would like for yours. And then we're going to do, because we want this to be a really cute unicorn, we're going to make the eyeballs a little bigger. So those are just 2 zeros right next to each other, okay? And inside of those, we're going to make 2 big filled in dots, just like so. All right, and I'm going to draw a straight line down here for the inside of the teeth, and I'm going to just draw a straight line across and just do whoop, some straight lines up and down. This dentist, this unicorn has been to the unicorn dentist. He doesn't eat too much cotton candy. And for the nose, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a straight line down like this. It's going to make kind of the nostril for us. And I want you just to make a swirly line just like this. And we're going to put another swirly line just like that. You can make sounds if you want, like if you'd like to. And we are going to draw a couple eyebrows. Eyebrows are just going to go chilling above here. And we can put some eyelashes if you want. Totally up to you. I'm going to throw some on there just for funs. And I'm going to put little tiny legs because I think it's kind of cute. I'm going to put just like 2 little bumps and then 2 little bumps in the back. Just like that. And on the very ends, I'm just going to, while I'm there, just put some hooves on there. Kind of simple, right? Just like these little legs. You can make your legs different if you want. It's totally up to you. I'm going to put a little heart on its booty, like it's got like a little heart like tattoo on it. And then on its chest, I'm just going to add a little upside down V right there, just to give me something else to color in. Now, you can feel free to add different hair to yours. You can add different details in here. This would kind of be the point to do it. You can sprinkle some magic on it, because you know unicorn magic is always important. All that is an X. Once you get the X, it is just a line down there, okay? And then I'm gonna put a couple clouds in mine. You know, just maybe a couple clouds hanging out around there. All right? Now, what we're gonna do now is we are going to color in this unicorn. Now we're gonna speed it up as I color here, but you could feel free to get all your stuff out and color right along with me if you want, but we're gonna speed up a little bit so that way you don't just sit here and watch me color the whole time. So, here we go. So there you have it, guys. What we do is we just add little details in here. You can feel free to add any kind of elements that you want into this to give your unicorn any extra cuteness that you would like. Have a lot of fun with it. I used markers and colored pencils to finish this up. It was a great way to kind of play it on. You can layer colors that you can see and stuff like that. So the last thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you sign your name to it so that way everybody knows who made this awesome piece of art.
I hope you had as much fun drawing with me as I did drawing with you. Are you interested in seeing a real unicorn? It's pretty easy. Just go to the nearest mirror, look yourself in the eyes, and say, you know what? You are pretty magical. You magical beast, you. Magic. It looks good on you. Until I see you next time, be the weird you want to see in the world. See ya!
Hey Wonder Friends, I would love to see the art you create and feature it on one of my videos. With the help of an adult, take a photo of your finished art and post it on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Don't forget to tag me so I can find it. Hey, are you looking for a signed copy of one of my books? Check out my website, wondervillestudios.com, for books, t-shirts, mugs, and more. I also do loads of school visits and would love to hear from you about scheduling a visit. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out all the other fun drawing lessons. Until I see you, be the weird you want to see in the world. See ya!